Habla que especial. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2. 6, 7, 2, feet out. 6, 7, switch. 6, 7, 2 flat. Half grande. 1, 2. 5, 6, 7, walk with the girl. Cover. 6, 7, 1, 2. I didn't teach you that, but you know, you got it. Lipton all the way. 6, 7, 2, 3, 6, 7, 2, 6, 1, 2, hook. Grande. Careful with the hooks, please. 6, 7, 1, 2, 5. Try this at home if you want to miss. 6, 1, 2, 5, 6, 1, 2, 5, ladies hook. 2, 3, 3, 1 around, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and when I say the leg with the direction. Flamenco Caliente, officially, the move starts with a masita, with open hands, followed by a ronde. See what we can do with the ideas like we did earlier. 6, 7, answer the hands, bring your over, guide, do a pasea, answer your hands, in place here. Take 8 counts to turn around, allow yourself if you want. And triple toss, 5, 6, 7, 1, 6, 7, 1, 2, on count says 2, and on count says 3. Taking liberties with the triple toss. So for that one, again, left hand. I prep 1, 2, 3. So I let go of the left hand, semicircle for that one. Outside the circle, 5, 6, 7. I can toss in 7, toss up 8, or I can toss by 1. I toss, bring the right hand down, 2, 3, catch, 5, 6, 7, followed by whatever this is today. So in full motion, all 3 together is Rosca, 6, 7. Followed by adios, which is Flamenco Caliente. See what 6. Followed by 1, 2, 3. Lost my footwork there, but I got it. Triple toss. 2, 3, 6, 7, toss. 6, 7, 1, 2, 6, 7, 1, 2, 6, 7, toss. 2, 3. 6, 7, 3. All right, Anya. 2, 3, 6, 7, 2, 3, 6, 7, 2, 3, 6, 7, 2, 3. And if the ladies want to live again, they can do the booty roll on the montaña if they want. 6, 7, 2, 3, 6, 7. 6, 7, 2, 3. 6, 7. Adios por abajo. With the shoulder shake. 6, 7, 2, 3, sorry. 6, 7, 3, don't bump into your girl. Guys starting if you want. 6, 7, 2, 6, 7. Okay? Alright guys, take a break. Here we go. So, Natalia, 5, 6, 7, with a break. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, sorry. Hands over 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, check, 6, 7, walk and turn, 5, 6, 7, catch your hands, switch sides, leg it go. That's what I showed you guys in class, the actual move, the time, 6, 7, starts exactly the same, 6, 7, look around, 5, 6, 7, that's where the girl is, you ever hit that, 6, 7, once we're here, 6, 7, we do a copa, 1, 2, 3, a checking copa, 5, 6, 7, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, sorry, I stopped working on that, 5, 6, 7, yeah? It is really cool. So in fast motion, 6, 7, 1, 2, 5, 6, sorry, 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 2, remember it, walking, whatever turn this is, 1/2, 1, 2, around, check, 6, 7, whatever this is, and we'll just stop. Okay, if you want to do a left turn, you can, and that's it. Yeah? 6, 7. Cool. Sounds like Montana. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, just like I showed you from Montana. 1, 2, 3. The outside. 5, 6, 7. Fall back, see what happens. There we go. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So in fast motion, Chiquito Lindo. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7. 2, 3, 6, 7. 3, 5, 6, 7. 2, 3.
So the lady is mostly just hanging out. So
Ladies just mostly hanging out and doing the back rock in place. Back rock in place. See what happens. 5, 6, 7.
I didn't hang out long.
3, 5, 6, 7. Sambuca. Finish. 6, 7. 1, 2. 5, 6. Sit with. 5, 6, 7. 5, 6. 1, 2. 5, 6. One more. Four guys, ladies, or ladies, guys. 5, 6, 7. Let's see legs. Complicado. 6. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. 1, 2. 6, 7. Flamenco, regular flamenco from the first class. Next, eagle out for the ladies. 5, 6, 7, followed by Ponle Sabor. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2. 5, 6. Another one. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2. Run for the guys. 3, 5, 6. Into Tilly. There from the 2. Catch. 6. 1, 2. Over. And what else did we do? Anybody remember other than the group moves? If you think about it, let me know. Followed by, okay, so this one, so we did Flamenco Caliente, so we added to it. 6, 7, so regular flamenco. 6, 7, see it out. 6, Coca-Cola. 6, 7. 6, 7, 10, 2, 6, 7. Followed by Cuba Libre, which we decided to start with. Demasiado complicado, why not? 6, 7, 2, 6, 7, 2, 6, 7, 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 6, 7, followed by, what was the other one you said?
Bonita.
Thank you. La Bonita, and then I'll do Francesca, whatever. 1, 2, 5, 6. 2 here, 6, 7, 2, 6, 1, 2, over, axe, under, 1, 2, 3, 6, and what I didn't show you, I wanted to, I'm sorry, I just forgot. 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, Francesca, 2, 6, 7, 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, my favorite, 5, 6, 7, 2, 3, 5, 6. Okay?
Let's
Go. Yeah, you got it.
Okay, one more. I'm going to leave this one. Serpiente Cavalcado. It starts with Serpiente. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Touch and go. Fling and catch. Turn her around. Do straight jacket. Touch and touch. Guy rocks in. Cross body lead. Do a prep. Turn the girl. Do a prep and double turn. Copa. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. That ends with a 360.
Finish. Go. 1, 2. 6, 7. 1, 2. Sorry. 6, 7. 1, 2. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2. 6, 7. 2. Yay.
Oh. Triple lock. Here we go. Right over left. 5, 6, 7. Dip down, turn around. 5, 6, 7. Dip down, turn around. 5, 6, 7. And the guy rocks in and walks the lady out. Back rock prep. Spin real fast. Dip down, breaker movement, and turn, turn, turn. Feet up. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and walk walk the lady out. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Guy turns right, the arm comes up, down to her shoulders, over and over. 1, 2, 3, and the guy goes under. Now, the end move ends with the sombrero. But you can also end it the way you do triple lock. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, break her movement and turn her. And you can also end it the way you end serpiente cavalcado. Touch and go, fling and catch. Do straight jacket, guy goes under, touch and touch, etc. Is Rubenata Cavalcado. Starts like Montagna, starts like Rubenata. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Dilicano tap. Now this is the funky turn. 1, 2, 3. But then instead of doing a ronde and unwinding, the follower, which is Glen, goes underneath, and I do complicate. Guy rocks in, Dilicano tap, back to back, walk around each other, back rock, and the guy goes under again. This is the second Rubenata. Guy rocks in, crossbody lead. Now, I'm going to do the funky turn without switching sides. Funky turn, and then I'm going to do a ronde. I let go, ronde, and then I do an enchufla and Dilicano. Titanic. Change the name. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Bounce and then 5, 6, 7. Move with your partner. And 5, 6, 7. Break the movement and turn. And the guy rocks in. Cross body lead. Three, 5, 7, 1, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 3, 5, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. Five, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.